little Pingus. Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once there was a monkey who lived on a jamun tree beside a river. Kids, jamun in English is known as Java plum. The fruits of this tree were fresher and sweeter than the fruits on all the other trees. Every day, the monkey used to eat the jamuns. He also threw some jamuns into the river when his friend the crocodile came by. The crocodile and the monkey spent many hours sitting and talking on the shore of the river, and in no time they became best friends. The crocodile always took some fruits home to his dear wife. She loved the fruits so much that slowly she became addicted to its taste and freshness. One day, she thought, if the monkey eats this fruit every day, then his flesh must also taste sweet, especially his liver. Oh, I want to taste the monkey's liver. She thought about it and thought about it until she couldn't stand it any longer. Finally, one day, she said to her husband, I want to taste the monkey's liver. Please bring him home so that I can satisfy my hunger. The crocodile was shocked.
You want to eat the monkey's liver? But he's my friend. I love him. And he is so generous to us. My dear, it's impossible.
The lady crocodile became angry. She demanded that he bring the monkey to her and let her taste the monkey's liver. Otherwise, she would leave. The crocodile was torn apart. He loved his wife and didn't want to lose her. He loved his friend and didn't want to lose him either. Sadly, he had to make a difficult choice, and he decided to lose his monkey friend. With a heavy heart, he swam slowly back across the river and sat under the jamun tree. The crocodile called,
Oh, monkey! It's a lovely night, and I feel like going for a ride on the river. Why don't you come along? I could show you the beauty of the river.
I don't think so,
said the monkey.
I don't think that's a good idea. And anyway, I can't swim. And I'm afraid of water.
I am the king of the river. You don't need to be afraid when you ride on my back. Besides, we have been good friends for a long time. What a shame it would be if you can't trust me by now.
The monkey thought for a minute. Perhaps the crocodile was right. So, the monkey said,
Okay, I'll come with you.
He jumped onto the crocodile's back and they sailed into the river. It was a wonderful ride and the monkey was really happy. But the crocodile was quiet and in deep thought. So the monkey asked,
Hey, crocodile, what's the matter?
The crocodile almost burst into tears. He said,
I'm sorry, my friend. I lied to you. I am not doing this to entertain you. Rather, I am taking you to my wife. She wants to eat your liver.
Eat my liver? Why does she want to eat my liver?
The monkey was astonished.
She knows that you eat the fruit of the tree every day. She thinks that your liver must be very sweet and tender. So she wants to eat it.
The monkey saw that his life was in danger. He thought for a minute and came up with a plan. He said,
Oh, I see. My friend, don't feel bad on my account. I would be honored to give my liver to your wife. But you should have told me about this before we left the tree.
But why?
asked the crocodile. The monkey replied,
Well, I always wash my liver in the river and then hang it on a branch of the tree.
Oh, is that so?
said the crocodile.
If you take me back to the tree, I'll get it for you. Then you can take it to your wife.
The crocodile swam quickly back to the tree. When he got to the shore, the monkey jumped off his back and climbed up the tree.
Ha! Crocodile! Don't you know that I can't give you my liver? This has been a good lesson to me about trust.
The crocodile was surprised and very sad. He went back home empty-handed. The monkey was smart and he used his intelligence to save his life in the right time. So kids, what do we learn from the story? We learn from the story that we should always be aware of fake friends. Also, we should never lose hope. We should use our intelligence and find out ideas to save ourselves from difficult situations.
Hey little pingus! Hope you like the story. Subscribe and like the channel for more such stories. Have fun!